carreggiata is that part where cars are following. That part where cars are following, I repeat again, where cars are following a load. You can see that in this very particular road, we have two pista ciclabili. There is another pista ciclabili in the middle of the road, right? Now, we have here what is called spartitraffico. 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 Spartitraffico is that wall that demarcates the two double ways. That wall that is in the middle of the road is called spartitraffico because it separated them. It separates the two roads. This very road is called doppio senso di circolazione a carreggiate separate. This very particular road is called doppio senso di circolazione a carreggiate separate. But we are not concerned about whether it is doppio senso di circolazione a carreggiata separate right now. We are concerned about what made up of the entire road and what made up of carreggiata. That is what the two things we understand here. Yeah, let's go. Then if you come to the other side, we see that we have carreggiata. In this very carreggiata, we have two coesia in it. What is coesia? Coesia simply means the lace, two laces inside the carreggiata. Inside, there is two carreggiata in this very particular road. One here, one the other side of it. Then in each of the carreggiata, we have two laces, which making it to be doppio senso di circolazione a due carreggiate separate, which means that in each of the carreggiata, there are two lanes going to the same directions. Then, in the other side of the lane, there is also two lanes going to another direction, which making it to be doppio senso di circolazione a carreggiata separate, right? All right. We just talk about what made up of the road is what we are still talking about. If you look at the picture very well, there is one thing we have not explained here. It's called banchina. Banchina is regarded as the ending part of the road. If you like it, you can call it gutter. The drainage part of the road is called banchina, where the ending part of the road, where the road ends, is called banchina. Not forbidden, but it's not accepted you park there or you run there. That is what it means by banchina. Guys, we have just explained what made up of the roads. What made up of the roads. What are those things that are inside the carreggiata? And what are those things that made up of the road? What are they? What are they? What are those things that made up of the carreggiata? And what are those things that are inside the carreggiata? And sometimes in the quiz they will ask you, they are inside the carreggiata, yes or no. Fanno parte della carreggiata. Now, these are some of the quiz we find. Anytime we go for the school, we are doing the quiz, we are doing the exams, we find it difficult to understand all these things. They will ask you, La banchina. Remember we said that the banchina is part of the roads. Altogether they are roads. They will ask you, La banchina fa parte della carreggiata. Guys, pay attention here in this quiz. I just asked, La banchina fa parte della carreggiata. It's fast so, because if you remember the explanation where I said that the carreggiata is only where cars are following, cars alone, because people that are using leg, they are passing the side of the road that is called marciapiedi, while the people that are using the bicycle are called pista ciclabili, which means where the bicycles are following. Then the carreggiata is where the cars are following. Everybody must have where they are following in the road, and they must have name.